Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Klaviyo for email marketing and dropshipping easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Klaviyo account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Klaviyo website and create one. Next, navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. On the dashboard, locate the Lists and Segments tab on the left side. Click on Lists and Segments to create a list for your dropshipping audience. Select the Create List button. Name your list something relevant, like dropshipping customers. Click Create List to confirm. Now, you need to import your existing contacts. In the newly created list, find the Manage List dropdown. From there, choose Import Contacts. Upload a CSV file containing your customer data or connect to your e-commerce platform. Once your contacts are uploaded, it's time to create your email templates. Click on the Email Templates tab in the left sidebar. Select Create Template and choose a design you like. Customize the email with your branding, products, and personalized content. After your template is ready, save it. Next, create your email campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab in the left sidebar. Click Create Campaign and name your campaign appropriately. Select your newly created email template for this campaign. Choose the audience list you created earlier as your recipient list. Personalize the email subject line and preview the message. Once satisfied, set the campaign to either send immediately or schedule for later. Confirm all settings and click Schedule Campaign. Now, let's set up automated flows. Navigate to the Flows tab on the left. Click on Create Flow and begin with a blank flow or use a pre-built template. Use triggers like Welcome Series or Abandon Cart for engagement. Design the flow by dragging and dropping elements from the right panel. Customize each email step within the flow for specific customer interactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.